Is your car's head unit frozen on the startup screen, refusing to budge? Don't worry, FixMyDash is here to rescue your ride. First, we take the machine apart and look at the motherboard or dig into the system settings to find out the model and firmware version of your console. Think of it as a technical detective mission to ensure we can perfectly fix the problem. Next, we download the compatible system package and transfer it to a formatted USB drive. It's like giving your car's brain a much-needed refresh. Prepare a USB cable. Turn on the car's Android host's Diagnostics switch. Wait for a few seconds and the host will automatically enter the upgrade interface. The upgrade process does not require any other operations, just wait. After the upgrade is complete, please follow the prompts to turn off the power, turn on the power, and wait for the host to restart. After booting up and entering the interface, test the screen touch. Place 5 fingers on the screen and press and hold to start touch calibration. Click on the 4 points in sequence. After confirmation, enter the button calibration interface. First click Start, then click Power Home Back Volume Up Volume Down. Finally click Start, End Touch and Button Calibration. Finally, test whether the touch and buttons are normal. Is your car's head unit acting up? Stuck on the startup screen or missing out on the latest features? Don't worry, FixMyDash has got your back. We offer professional, remote repair and upgrade services for your car's infotainment system. Our offerings include system diagnostics and repairs, custom boot logo designs, 360-degree panoramic view activation codes, voice control feature activation codes, system upgrades and optimizations.